Welcome back. Now, if we want to create our own sequences from scratch, we can go to this sequence link and we can click this button that says create a new sequence. We are then going to name our sequence. And then we're going to click create. And what we want to do is we want to determine first the message content. And in this case, we're going to edit the flow of this message. And what we're going to do is we're going to write in a new content. And once we've created our messaging, we're then going to click publish. Now we do have a few choices. We can create another step in this particular message flow, or we can go back and start at the sequence again so that we can determine the next step, which is going to be based on time. And to do that, we're going to go to this part of the sequence. You're then going to see this second message, which we can then alter. But in order to establish the sequence, what we're going to do, we're going to determine when this message is going to be sent. So for example, what we can do is we can say that this message is going to be sent 1 hour after the individual is subscribed. Now, in order to create the rest of the sequence, what we can do is we can go and delete the rest of the messages. And we can then start creating our other messages from scratch. In fact, one thing that we can do is we can select existing messages. So for example, we can pick any of the messages that are part of our flows to add them to this particular sequence. And then that message can be reused in a new sequence. So basically, an individual can be subscribed to a specific sequence where you determine the messages that they are going to receive at the intervals at which they are going to receive them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.